video or a camera? What the hell? How are you so cold? I can understand wearing jeans right now, but it's not
everywhere.
Balance it and get your legs straight when you come down. Gun. You have to gun it. Throttle all the way. And so you can't turn when your two wheels are up. Oh yeah, you come down at a way wrong